He does have it's chopped. I think it's that ear. Can you see like a right on top of it? Is it that ear? Oh, you already got the ear.
It's from his asthma.
From his eczema.
Oh, I think
It's like chopped.
yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Let us see it.
It might be hurting his girl.
Perfect.
Good job, Israel.
Now we're gonna take a picture, okay?
Wow, and very nice.
Alright, we're gonna take a picture of your ear. You wanna look at my screen? Watch your ear, draw a picture. Right here.
Israel.
It's okay, Baba. We're gonna count to 3 again, okay? It's just a picture. Gotta be a brave boy for me.
Israel. Wait. Let me help. Here. Your mommy phone? Here. Let us see your ear. Did you paint your ear real quick?
Move, darling.
It hurts. It really do.
Darling.
So it hurts? It don't hurt.
You drive that car.
He's like, he loves Hot Wheels. Yeah. Don't take it off. Don't take it
We're
off.
going so fast.
What?
Going so fast. Alright. Let me get this saved and then we'll do that hearing part. Can you hear me? Yeah, you do.
You need like the rocking chair.
Good job. Help me find my birdies. Good job, buddy. We're almost done, okay? Keep on listening. And then just try to keep his body facing that puppy in front of you. Thank you. And then, so I'm gonna play some sounds and talk and let him do all the looking. Try not to tell him where they're coming from, okay? Alright.
So at this point, this is when his dad gets in the booth with him, so Israel can kind of like feel more comfortable, because he kept getting up and he was just like not listening to her.
I'm on this side. Look over here. Peekaboo, Israel.
Here's the clip when he was in the booth by himself. So you see him standing up when he's supposed to be sitting down. Yeah, he just wanted to do his own thing.
Can you sit in the chair, please?
Israel, sit down.
So the conclusion was that Israel couldn't hear soft noises, so the doctor recommended for him to see an ENT, and we'll keep you guys updated regarding his hearing. All right, you guys, bye.